Hello guys and welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Okay, if you are new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. So we have a simple problem on the board. You can do well to pause the video, attempt the question and come back to the problem. Alright, so we have a question on factorization. So we have to factorize k squared, okay, plus 2kp plus what p squared. This is a simple one. So all we need to do is, okay, our general form of our quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c. So if we compare this, our a is going to be, there is a 1 here, so we have 1, so a is 1. Our b, okay, is plus 2, which is 2, and our c is, we have a 1 here, so 1. So the next thing is your a times c, which is 1 times 1. So our a times c is 1. Now, having gotten this, all we need to do is we want to look for two numbers that when you sum them, it's going to give you 2, and when you multiply them, it's going to give you 1. Now, the two numbers are very simple. So, the two numbers are 1 and what? 1. So, since the two numbers are 1 and 1, if we check 1 plus 1 is going to give us 2, which is this 2 that we have here, okay, and 1 times 1, okay, 1 times 1 is going to give me 1, which is what this 1 that we have here. So the two numbers are actually 1 and 1. Now we're going to substitute this here in this expression. So our new expression is going to be, so I have k squared plus, okay, I have 1 kp plus 1 kp plus what? P what squared. Okay. Now remember 1 kp plus 1 kp is going to give us 2 kp. But professionally, you don't want to write the 1, you just want to leave it as k squared plus kp plus kp plus what? P squared. It's best to write it in this what form instead of what is form. Okay. Now with this expression, we can now factorize. Okay. We are going to factor out what is common here. Then we are also going to factor out what is common here. So let's quickly check what is common. Now for this, I can see that k is common. So I'm going to bring out k. So k will divide k squared. Now for this, we have k is common. So I'm going to factor out k. I'll divide k squared by k. And I'm also going to divide kp by k. Now for this, we have p is common, so I'm going to put plus p, and I'm going to divide kp by what? P, and I'm going to divide p squared by what? P. Okay, so we can now cancel. K will cancel one of these, so we have k into this is k plus, alright? So k will cancel this, so we have p plus we have p here. So p will cancel one of these. So p will cancel this p, so we are left with what? K plus p will cancel one of these, so we are left with just 1p. Alright, so from this, we can now factor one more step and we're at our final answer. So we can observe that from this expression, k plus p and k plus p is common. Alright, so all you need to do is you are going to divide this expression by k plus p and this expression by k plus p. So such that this will cancel out, this is 1, 1. So we have k plus p into this is what? K plus this will cancel out, this is p. So this multiplied by this is also what? K plus p what? Squared. Alright? If you can recall, what your square simply means is, if I have a times a, it means a squared. So k plus p times k plus p is going to give you k plus p what square. So that gives us the solution to this problem. So if we factorize this, we have this as our solution to this problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like what, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to somebody who may be of help. Remember, sharing is what? I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.